Hello everyone, welcome to FinTalks. Is it possible to receive rupees 1 crore? Yes, it is possible. One of the best investment schemes available under the category of triple E, exemption category is Public Provident Fund scheme, PPF scheme. If you invest rupees 12,500 per month in this scheme for a period of 15 years, 15 years, which is called as locking period, after completing 15 years, you will receive a corpus fund amount of 43 lakhs. If you continue the same for 5 more years, that is total 20 years, then you will receive a corpus fund amount of 73 lakhs. If you continue the same investment for 5 more years, that is total 25 years, after completing 25 years, you will receive a total corpus fund amount of 1 crore 16 lakhs at an average interest rate of 7.1% per annum. Why it is called as triple E category? In this category, in this scheme, the amount you are investing, the interest you are receiving, and the total corpus fund you are receiving at the time of maturity, all three are exempted from the tax exemption. Those who cannot take more risk but expecting a minimum return can choose this option. This is the best option. This is one of the best scheme, but only thing is it needs little patience, time, and benefits can be delivered definitely after a long period of time. If it is content is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.